Start out with the face frame down and apply a bead of glue into the dovetail groove. Slide the left and right cabinet walls into the vertical grooves. Don't forget to wipe any excess glue. Now slide the top and the bottom of the cabinet into place. Turn the cabinet onto its front and use pre-existing holes to secure the back of the cabinet to the top and bottom lips. Flip cabinet upright and place shelf clips into the holes on the inside of the cabinet, lip side down. Then place the shelves on the clips and press lightly down until the shelves click into place.